Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live stream on the internet. Today we are doing something a little bit different, as people have been requesting for me to set up a community, Discord, but I decided not to use Discord, and I'll get to that in a minute. But a community server for people to be able to interact with Minecraft Renewed, and it will be important for, well, whenever the mod actually releases. So I'll go into the FAQ first. That's what I've been setting up, is these two channels. The main important one is this one, Why Gilded? So I'm going to read this. You can, of course, find this whenever I make this server public. I'll have to set up a few more things, and then it should be good. That's what we're focusing on the stream, actually, until it's done, and then I'll switch to programming if I have time. Roughly around 3 hours is like what I like to stream anyway. So, as a result of the last kerfuffle, including the previous owner of this project, under the name Discord's Nostalgia Client, I've opted to use Gilded instead of Discord. What was this kerfuffle exactly? Hackers who wanted to create edited clients for the project reported Discord as spreading malware. Although this claim is baseless, the Discord mods decided to ban him from the platform. In the end, the hackers never found out actually to create a hack, despite Discord eventually handing it over. I do not want any of this to occur, and thus have opted not to use Discord. My other reasons are that Gilded is a newer platform with many more features that are suited to running a community server using it. As a result of the previous, users will have to go out of their way to sign up should they want to interact, reducing bots, spam, and malicious intent. I would like to grow Gilded as a platform for many reasons, including the ones listed, as well as more personal ones. I'm not affiliated with Gilded in any manner other than an average user. So, that's the reason. It is in fact gilded. I do like their features a lot. There's a few things that are messed up with it right now. I just hope those get fixed. Such as their streaming service is or not streaming service. Their their streaming feature for like streaming applications. The audio doesn't really work, but beyond that, I really like it. So, I do like Gilded a lot. I'm gonna show you some things around here. So this is called a forum, and it's pretty similar to Discord, but I like the way this is laid out. They also have like their overview where you can see like all the latest stuff happening. I can post an announcement if I want to. I'll probably be posting stuff like video announcements here, and then of course I have the changelog dedicated for here. I can have like members. You can have it to where people can vote to have someone come in. I think. Recruitment, basically, and then they have an audit log that you can also see right here. So these rules you'll get to read when you join them, but the most important thing, the guild server was my doing. I mean, like, I understand not liking Roblox, and I don't really like Roblox either, but I just cannot stand Discord for some of their moderation choices, so I'm just like, let's try something else. If this doesn't work, then whatever. It's also just, you know, features. Very nice features, so. The main thing that's important for anyone to mention, and I have this, these rules will probably stay roughly static. I might edit them a little bit, but essentially, do you think that a moderator failed to assess the situation and acted unjustly? You can submit a request for me to reassess the situation here. This is a link to a form. And make sure to include any and all evidence to prove your claim. If the evidence has been found that a moderator failed to provide the issue reporting form when banning a user, the moderator will be dealt for misconduct. So I'm trying to keep things fair, and in case they don't provide you the form, it's just good to have to know that it exists. This is just my stand. Can I open it? There we go. You can't see this, but essentially it's my, I have a standard issue reporting form for like bugs, support issues, etc. for the mod. And if you just remember where that is, maybe you have it pinned, then you can of course go there. I don't expect my moderators to be perfect whenever if this eventually gets larger, but I don't want to be that, you know, rude. You can also submit any support issues, including like if a user is breaking rules, via those forms, so you don't have to like publicly go through and like tag moderators and stuff like that. So it's a little more private, but you know, more orderly. Anyway, so so one of the things in the FAQ is where you can download it, which is simple enough. I've explained that before. How to leave support and feedback requests, just the Google Forms. How does it collaborate with other mods? You can read that right now and pause if you want. I'm going to switch out though. And lastly, how to find the in-development changelog, and also have linked to the normal changelog page. So the other things we need to add, several things really, is I think I'm going to start with the. Need to add a category there. Gotta call this. What should we call this? Yeah, I know jump. And I'll use. Actually, we'll use that. There we go. That's not proper. Hold on. I have not set up roles yet, which is why I'm not inviting people, but, anyway, so let's move general down below information. Some of this, I wish I could move, like, the information into underneath overview, but not much I can do here. Whenever I eventually set up a server, like a Minecraft server, to go along with the mod, so Gilded has this really nice setup here, with, you have your server home, and then you can create a group, which is like a sub-server within a server, and I'll put like this, I'll create one for the, for that server, and then like, maybe we'll set up some other ones for other public servers related to Minecraft Renewed, should you guys want. That'll mostly be that way. Alright, sorry. No, okay. I don't think I'll spend 3 hours making a guild server. But it is gonna focus on that because that's what I'm currently doing. Because you guys apparently want a community server, so I'd rather do that than focus on, you know, I don't know, you staring at some code with a console with errors in it. I mean, like, I don't know which one is more interesting, but anyway. If you guys have any, like, channel suggestions or, like, role suggestions, I will also be taking that. So anyway, we'll start with, oh, no, topic channel. Actually, hold on. Need also, yeah, okay. Have a description? Good evening. So we're gonna start off, like I said before, with the off-topic channel. And what should we get an emoji? Yeah, I mean, what would it be? It's stupid Windows emojis. So I'm not really sure. It's all faces. It's a good one. Meh. I mean, it's miscellaneous, right? It will be open to the public once I get everything set up. I don't have the roles set up, so, like, you know, people don't just, like, start spamming the channels. I will have it, ready to go once once the stream is done, definitely. Alright. Go. Okay, so that's simple enough. Create a... I wish there was an emoji, but I guess I can use, like, is there something I can use like this? Heck with this. So have I heard of Minecast? I have heard of Minecast before. I didn't really like, it's more of an engine than a game. So I mean, like, I'm not really that interested in it. I mean, I don't really have much of an opinion on it. I use Minecraft because I like Minecraft, although, obviously, from my recent video, I trashed on it, and mostly because I love the game and wish it was better, but, you know. Also, because people are going to keep on asking me, why are you making Minecraft for noobs? Why do you think I'm making it? Speaking of, that needs to be in here. Well, I guess I might as well answer right here, right? So, oh, it won't have, it won't have chat recording, trust me. I am deliberately in the future adding, there's this thing called decentralized authentication, which is, you don't even really know what it is, but essentially it's a third-party authentication that people will be able to use should they get banned from normal Minecraft. Once I get it set up. The only thing that I'll have to do for it, which is a bit annoying, but whatever, is it's designed for Fabric, and I'm not using any mod loader, so I'll have to, like, introduce a basic form of the Fabric API into my mod to then have it interact, mostly just so it can communicate with the game and the server and all that. So, in short, no, no chat reporting. I make that a promise. I do not like chat reporting at all. It's pretty bogus. So I didn't really mention that in the video because I keep on forgetting like how bad modern Minecraft is getting in that sort of instances, but yeah. All right, so need to pull up a video. 1 second. I forgot to make this an FAQ, and I'm sorry because this is. Alright. Link here. There we go. Alright, I'll be updating this as I think of more things. That I'm trying to stay on, like, trying to get things done, and it's kind of, you know, more rushy, but whatever. Let's see, what else do we need in terms of text channels? Let's say we need... yeah, this is a good one. Do a little camera movie. The recognition has been quite rough. Java Edition, I don't know if I haven't really had this experience that much in 1.19, but for a long time, before the updated Java versions actually, especially in 1.17, it was basically unplayable. You couldn't play without Optifine. You got like 30 FPS if you tried to have any render distance. It was insane. It's gotten a little better, but it's still nowhere where it should be. Minecraft should theoretically have like hundreds of FPS on your average computer because of how little is actually being rendered. But their rendering techniques are very old. They've not bothered to update them really all that much, so anyway. Alright. Oh, can I boost the music? No, I'll boost a little bit there. Actually, there's gonna be a calendar mode next to this. Alright, so... I respect people who play 1.8. I mean, the combat, I like the combat to some extent. I mean, it's not... I think it's more interesting, combat. I don't necessarily think it's more balanced, but... Man, 1.9's features are so lacking. It's not funny. The Ender Dragon thing is cool, but everything else I think is kind of bogus. So, I'm also gonna create a category for. Yeah, there. move this in here. Alright, so let's see. Rudimentary. Let's do we'll do. I'm not gonna have an off-topic events channel. That doesn't make any sense. But let's see. So. Do a different rotation of the Earth and say this is. Put that up there. All right. So. You keep some consistency in these names. For all things, rather than just all things. Alright, so I think this is, I mean, I'm also taking stuff from, like, some ideas, not necessarily directly, from the well, let me look. Yeah. It's the modification station Discord, so I'll also we don't necessarily need audio or voice channels, but move this down below. Now, let's add mostly just voice channels. Oh yeah, they also have like text associated with them. I forgot about that. It's actually a pretty nice feature. That's not what I wanted. Actually created non-voice channels, oops. I don't think these need descriptions, because they're just voice channels. Now, we're gonna add another category for streaming. No, like, his computer? Jeez. Yep. Close that out. And now we add some streaming channels. That's not right. Damn it. Just basically some, it kind of works with like half and half overflow for people who aren't going to be streaming, so course, you have 4 for streaming, but of course, you have 4 for voice. And I kind of like, there's some like benefit on community server to having this segregated because those who do not want to stream and just want to chat can join a voice channel, so that people who want to stream have space and vice versa. So you can have more channels and have them be a little bit more purpose focused. So anyway, I think that's kind of it in terms of the channels for now. And until I have actual like funding, which will probably come from donations because it's community focused, there won't be like a server run. Not that I okay, Minecraft Video can't even run servers right now, unfortunately. The server code is not done, so there's that. But when there is, there probably will be a public server. And I'll, as I said before, I'll also probably harbor a few community servers in this greater Minecraft for New community server. So, anyway, let's set the roles, I guess. Captain, which is basically just like... I don't really think there's much, like, specifically here. I guess we can I'll add, you will have a bit of an orangey. Oh yeah, they also have gradients, which is kind of cool. Alright. You definitely should not just be able to mention... these rules are not supposed to be mentionable. I think I'll save changes. These are relatively simple rules. Which Minecraft launch do I use? I use multi-MC whenever I do play Minecraft, but it has the least BS out of the launchers, so in terms of instant information channel, permissions, member, unit. I can just click the, just read and nothing else. And therefore... I'll keep them synced. Like this. So, yep. And then with all of these, I mean, that's fine as is. I think this is roughly done. Let me think. Is there anything else? I think the bots is maybe what I'm gonna set up now. Where are the bots? You have... How did the real game have spyware? You should just use multi-MC. Just look up multimc.org, download it, install it, you'll be good. Not that big of a deal. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the bots, and then recreate some new ones. Oh, I have to, change, hold on. Is there not, like... Oh, can the bots not post announcements? Huh. Yeah, it has all the permissions. Can't I scroll? Oh, there it is. Why did I stop playing Classic Cube? I mean, like... One of the reasons is that, I didn't really know what else, like... We kind of just lost interest in the game. As, you know... I don't know, we got older, but also... One of my friends that we played in there is not really around anymore. I don't know where he went, to be completely honest, so... I mean, I felt like I could really play like we used to, anyway. Just gonna... Some changes. Cool. So now the bot should be able to see that channel. Is it not there? Bruh. Okay, it's synced there. Why can't the bot post there? Still can't see it. It's very weird. Can I do there? Huh. It's because it's an announcement. Actually, I have one more set of roles I want to add. This is mostly just so you can add people. What do we call it? Like that. Let's just do this like that. Okay. It'll just be red. Actually, lighter. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, can I please repeat what? So the reason why I don't play Glass Cube anymore is because, first of all, we kind of just lost interest in it, and also because one of my friends who would play it, we no longer interact with, just because he just kind of left. So, I mean, not like we could if we wanted to. That's just two of us wanted to do that. It's kind of boring. Regardless, though, I mean, like, to me, something like Minecraft Renew could easily do the same thing that Glass Cube did. So, it's not a big... Like, to me, it doesn't interest me to go back. Oh, wait. WAS can create and remove announcements despite the fact that there is not letting me. Okay. There we go. Maybe this will work. Nope. Trying to remember how I did it over. Yeah, it's just like a bulletin board style, just like text channel. Okay. Actually, well, okay. I don't really want to have a specific YouTube bot, actually, I decided. Because I don't want to just spam people with any video I make. I want it to be, Minecraft Renewed related videos I'll manually post, because I doubt I'll be so excited that I'll just leave it. If I am, then I deserve not to get views. So, I don't really think we need like a new user bot either. I don't even know if we can do like an XP bot. Why not? I don't mind. Alright. Let's see. I don't... Well... Doesn't it have, like, a joined thing? Because, I mean, like... These are just, like, silly things, you know? Let me see. Joined... Also, like, players just have... Let me see if it's levels different for servers. Yeah, it's different between servers, too. Interesting. You can just, like, see... I mean, I guess someone has to just keep the XP bot there. Why not? Just like default. I'm not going to display the bot separately, though. Alright. Yeah, that's it. I believe this is kind of it for right now. I guess I can do this. That's not the right one. Do 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 do. Alright, so let's put this here. Oh, why did it just say channel? It's like lowercase. What the hell? Okay, then. Hold on, is it? Huh. Yeah, it's just... Is that right? Nope. So if I click on this, right, it goes to... Yeah, that works. See if that works. There we go. That's better. If I switched from just the channel link to the @ link, which for whatever reason is like a separate URL, it doesn't even redirect. Really weird, but oh wait, yeah, can't mess that right now. All right, so I think it's roughly set up. Let's see. Rules. Yeah, this is just like the default role here. I'll make sure. I don't know what to do. Alright, so I think that's kind of it for all of that. And now it is ready for the invitation. So I will post it in chat. I will also pin it to the top. And for now, at least, I'll create a community post. Can I like link the Gilded server? Branding, maybe. Basic info? Ah, here we go. Alright, so let's see what that does. Hey, it works. Alright, cool. I have now put the Gilded on the... If you're having issues with malware, there's... Honestly, what I would recommend is going to... One second. So here's two things that can help you with malware. Just Good Samaritan stuff, seriously. This is a good antivirus, and then if you are suspicious of a file, you can go to this website called VirusTotal, which is which you can upload files to. You can put URLs to, including download links, and it will scan it for you, so you don't have to download weird stuff if you're not sure. Because I just feel bad for your computer, feel bad for you, feel bad for your parents, so just keep those two websites in mind. Malwarebytes is you have to download on your computer, but if your parents will probably thank you if you're using your parents' computer. You can use their trial and then their free version. The free version, you just click a scan button and it'll scan your PC. I don't think it works as well because it's obviously free, but anyway. I was once young. Oh boy. What I find the most insidious, though, is that at least once or twice, I think my parents lied to me that I had put a virus on my computer just because I didn't like that I was downloading things. They were trying to scare me. It didn't scare me. I just felt a little bit bad about it, so it's like, okay. Anyway, I think that's roughly it, so I guess I'm gonna exit out of Gilded for now. And we will now... Oh yeah, I forgot to change the last thing. Oh, it actually changed dynamically? Nice. Alright. Huh. What is it? It did change. Interesting. Alright, so now we're gonna switch to Eclipse. How long have I been streaming for? 45 minutes? Okay. Not that bad. Glad I was able to get that done quickly. Oh yeah, wrong scene. One sec. So, okay. Alright, let me see. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we're dealing with all of that. Multi-threading. Yay! Oh boy. What was I working on last time? I forget. So... Oh yeah, we had some missed signals. I need to basically look at tutorials, is what's gonna end up being. What could I get locked in that would, Let's do this. It's probably the same ones with our global. Hold on. Or debug. I think it's... Oh, it's 1E9, okay. You live alone? Okay. I apologize. But... I apologize for the vibes. It was my fault. But yeah, malware is a big one, especially if you download a lot of stuff. I personally don't download that much, but it can be kind of hard sometimes. I get it. Especially Minecraft stuff. This is not Visual Studio. This is called Eclipse. It's primarily people use it for Java, but I think you can also use like C++ and stuff like that. Obviously, we're using Java, so let's see. So this right here. Actually, we'll do this before. I want to leave it. Oh, not like that. There we go. Oh wow, entity is rendered. Like, properly. That's impressive. I'm kind of confused why they keep pausing like that, though. If worst comes to worst, I mean, I will revert back to, like, previous versions. But I really don't want to, because I want to see if I can get this working. I've gone so far. Don't want to give up. So right now, there's a few things I guess I can think of. Obviously, the debug stuff, so... Also, I don't even need to do this. I can just do this. What? What happened? one of the major things that affects performance is the fact that they're interrupted. So, or that they're printing, sorry. Numpause 14. It glitched out. It seems to be related to the resource thread, which is interesting. Cool. Oh, yeah. The mod is built on an older version of Minecraft, but that's also just because new Minecraft is not very good, in my opinion. So I'm going to remove this. Yeah, give it a second. I'll come back. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the debug statements. I want to see. Obviously, it's going to hang because I don't remember if I have anything here. Oh, I forgot to remove that. Not what I wanted. Where are you? The game freeze up? I think something broke. Oh yeah, because the downloading package. What is definitely good, at least. So I mean, it's based off of Minecraft. It takes things from old Minecraft. I guess you could think of it as older Minecraft. However, I would think of it more as separate. It's not new. It's not based on newer. It's not based on it's not intended to be newer. It's not intended to be older. It's just its own thing. So you can't. I wouldn't recommend pinning it to a generation other than, I guess, not. Oh, don't worry. My computer is constantly freezing up whenever I close the game. So anytime the stream freezes when I close the game, that's why. It's just the code is. It's a big yikes. So. I need to go to Minecraft. Public volatile boolean. Okay, cool. If Minecraft dot running, not Minecraft. Is this a hold on, not you. Right here. No, there is the Minecraft instance. It's private static, yeah. Oh. Is there a thread function I can call to, like, stop? Just like. How can I do this? The problem is that the Minecraft instance will be null until later, so let's see. Is there a thread function I can call it safe that will just like stop the thread? Okay. I will let the system. So the reason why, actually this is not gonna. Will this work? Okay, so the reason why I think I'm gonna do it like this. So the reason why I wouldn't just put this same conditional here is because this is run immediately when the program starts, of which then Minecraft instance is null. There's not there. UT, I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. Retracted gun. I can't put it here because then it would get a null pointer exception and quit. I can put it here because it's only gonna get interrupted. Well, usually it's only getting interrupted, like by my own intention, it'll get interrupted when it's only gonna get interrupted whenever the game is actually running, because the only thing that's gonna be interrupting it is after the game is already running. So that's fine. And then we'll change it to where quit is. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to look for where Minecraft.running is used. Yep, welcome to the live chat. Yep. Gotta love it. Does Thread client sleep? What does this even do? What is this related to? What? Alrighty then. Well, I'm so confused. Alrighty then. So. Man. Alright, so there's just some simple extra stuff right here. Just trying to be very verbal about how it's going to try to make it trigger as likely as possible to quit these threads whenever they're supposed to. So this is, I mean, this Minecraft is just Minecraft Volume Alpha and Beta. I'm not lying about that. I mean, roughly the same playlist exists within the mod because I edited the music. Music is customized, but obviously still all Minecraft stuff. I also do have a few like edited tracks as well, but not that important. Also, that's the bother. Actually, I don't think we can mess with the lock on here. Alright, so I actually want to see if this will improve some stuff. Here. Yeah, I think this, yeah, it crashes as soon as this happens. It's just so weird. I want to go investigate that actually, because I don't understand what's happening with that. Maybe thread to download resources with, here, there it is. So this what does this do? I guess I might as well try. Because it's like causing to skip a beat, which is really weird. Let's see what happens. What is? I still don't know what YouTube's doing. Okay, that seemed to fix it. The good news is that I can actually see the sky now. Bad news is that, well, as you can probably see, the game is really laggy. It also looks like everything seems... Oh, don't speak too soon. Hold on, make sure. Oh, no, it just lied for a second. The easiest way to check whether, freezes. I wonder what those freezes are from. Just waiting, I assume? Oh, I wish I didn't remove the logging stuff, because now I can't see it. Oh, we're back. Okay, cool. Don't want to get crashed again. No, that sucks. Um, check something quickly. Let's see. Okay then. Also, this is a really cheap way to do synchronization, not gonna lie. How often is this referenced? Why does a sound updater for minecarts need the sound manager? Bruh. Oh, the cloud thing. That's intentional. I set that up. Don't worry. I thought it looked nice, so I was just like, you know. I wanted to add a little more depth to clouds. I feel like they're a little flat, so. Also, I mean, there's a lot of differences. You just can't see the world right now, which is, honestly, I will mention, my previous iteration of this that I tried, I got maximum 3 FPS, so getting 8 FPS is actually pretty big of an improvement, think about it. I mean that jokingly, but also kind of literally. But the synchronization seems to work decently, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Actually, well, yeah, why not? I mean, it's just, that performance does not matter all that much. Da, 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 dee, da, 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 da. I'm trying to think. One of the downsides of remaking the rendering stuff is that if something breaks in the theoretical aspect of it, especially something like this, which I'll actually replay quickly, I think it's because we got a little bit of time to look around before the game crashes. I can't see the world, which I don't remember what specifically this is caused by. Oh, and it crashed. So this is going to be guaranteed, which is understandable. Do, dee, 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 do. Do, do, dee. Do, dee, 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 do. Do, dee, do, dee, do, dee, dee, do, do. Dee, 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 do, dee, do, dee. I mean, this is certainly, I think I should probably how long is that? Trying to think like how I could implement this without screwing up everything. Obviously, Yeah, of course. The other way you could probably do this is, this is a file. So, two options here. Either this thread waits for synchronization with the main thread, of which kind of meh, or there's a check that happens that it's done, that it has loaded resources on this thread, and yeah, and then it has like a list that it hands over to the Minecraft thread, and that gets loaded. Actually, I think it's a good idea. It's a better idea. That's not how that works. We'll do a half table. What was it? A pen, maybe? No. I forgot how to use hash tables, unfortunately. Yikes. But there we go. Wait. Oh. Copy all this. Or cut it, I guess. we're then going to create a copy of, we're going to have a raw copy of the same hash table, right? That's a good spot. I'll put it in the top. So I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class called Soundlock, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put from there, put that in here. So now what we're going to do is in here, we're going to do a public volatile final, final static soundlock equals new soundlock. Needs to be an object of some form. And now we're going to, in references, let's see. I actually, hold on. How can I? I mean, if Minecraft's getting boycotted, honestly, fair, but, you know, I'm not involved in such affairs, so. I'm gonna put that after, but. So the way that you avoid having to use system.array copy, especially for like such a two-dimensional object like this, is you every time that you want to essentially create a new set of things, you have to create a new object, and you have to set it to that so that it completely resets the reference, completely sets it to a new object, and then whenever you transfer the object to whatever else, then of course the next time you go to loop around, it's not going to modify that. In this case, that's very necessary so that we essentially point the sound table of the sound lock to the old table, or to like the table we just generated, and so that next time it's not pointed to the same thing. Is it? All right. Have a good night. It's all good. All right. do re re do re do do re 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 do re. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here. So first I need to get an iterator for string. Re 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 do 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 re do re do 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 re di do re do do re do do re do 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 re di do re do do di di do di di do di do do di di do di di do di do do di do di do do re do 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 re do do di di do do di do. Alright, so here it is in a performance friendly way. Do do dee dee do dee do. Do do dee dee do dee do. Do do dee dee do do do. There we go. Alright, so Didn't realize how thread unsafe the sound was. Like, genuinely, I didn't know. I guess it doesn't use the hash table, unfortunately. Well, that's fine. Isn't this still a... Okay, it's... what to say. For reference, by the way, hash tables are by no means performant, but in this case, I care more about the structure because it's just sound. I mean, like, it doesn't matter that much. If it wastes, like, an extra few, I don't know, 100,000 nanoseconds computing stuff, like, much easier, or much better than wasting time managing 2 arrays, and all that, so. Whatever. Anyway, I think that's it for the sound, though. Hopefully that helps thread safety. One thing I will do is set that to volatile. Similarly, yeah, that's good. To volatile. Just better for practice. Very easy to test if this works. If the, you know, crashes right now. Here it did work. Hold on. At least it's also easy to test. What the hell's happening? Bruh. Stop. Please. What is happening? Is the clip just gonna be broken? Is that what we're doing? Alright, cool. Jeez. Hmm. There is a... Huh. Maybe it's because I synchronized this when I shouldn't have. Why is all my sound off? The hell? Eh? What is this? Huh. Guess I messed up my understanding of how iterators work, which I don't think I did, but... yeah. Interesting. This is all in bytecode, so not going to be that helpful. Yeah, it's working. Like, question is, why isn't the sound playing? Is it like, hold on, is it designed to handle being... Eh? What is this? Hmm. Um... Eh? Oh. Alright then. No, do not test how it was before. Eh? What's so special about this thread? I don't understand the design, I guess. I'll take it. It's actually pretty good research, honestly, on why it ain't working. Hello there. Welcome. This is some fun research, isn't it? And section. I apologize for not focusing on the chat because I'm intensely focusing. Hope you find at least the code remotely interesting. Is the game open? No, it's not muted. There's a lot of stuff in here, and it seems to be trying to load the file at the very least. It doesn't appear to be a problem of the, it's not a problem of the function, which makes sense. I want to intercept this so I can print it out. Alright, so maybe that'll work. Show me what it has at the end there. Assuming I understand its synchronization, it should be the same, but... Concurrent modification accepted. Game crash? Oh, wait. Is there... Minecraft. Okay. I'm gonna retry this. See what happens. In my estimation, it appears to be... Well, I'm glad that so I put some words together that you like. Though I'm trying to create the solution to my problems with Minecraft right now. So, it's just, you know, it's just like 2 years of work thus far. I actually like. That video and the Axiom video I had made before, I just didn't like how I made them, so that's why I remade them again. And deprecated the older ones, so new people hadn't seen them, but I definitely like the way I made it the second time more, so. Mango Pack? I haven't really played it, because I've been focusing a lot on Minecraft for news, but I've seen a lot about it, people seem to like it a lot, so. You know. What is... From the size of the array not equaling... Hold on, let's see. Actually want to do this. Okay, debug again. What is the size of this array? 32. Huh. Does it have industrial stuff? I didn't know it did. That's interesting though. I'm not gonna add like industrial stuff to this, but I'm leaving the ability for modders to mod my mod in the future, but at least right now I'm not really down for it. Mostly for because I need to devise the ability for server moderators to prevent hackers, essentially, using an algorithm I think in my head, but I don't know if it'll work, alongside maybe a new one that I can figure out later. So. Yeah, I'll have to create an anti-cheat for it. I mean, like, the previous mod owner had so much problem. The reason why it actually got discontinued is because of the hackers who are harassing him. So I don't want to have that happen to me as well. So. Resources. Let's see. It can be rather inconsistent, which is a bummer. Yeah, this is mostly a problem with how I devise my synchronization. Yeah, so. Reaching my limit on my knowledge, it seems. Why is this not working? It's a question. Do we need to? how can I copy? Because, well, I'm not even sure why I need this to be a global variable anyway. And then you link this out of here. Not sure why it needs to be a global variable. It could just be a local one. The second thing I guess I could fix it is doing. I'm gonna have to rewrite all of this. The second solution is to and that'd be it. Okay. If we fully synchronize, maybe it will fix things a little bit. And I'll also do the and then with you, I'm gonna this. Here we go. Okay. Now. Huh. Wait. Oh, that would make a lot of sense, actually. I figure out my error is. I actually do need a okay. So I actually do need to every time this loads, oh wait, actually I know where to put this. It's gonna be in here. Okay. Maybe that'll help it. That should fix it. That fixed it. Nice. 135 resources, Jesus. And you can see the synchronization does work, and it does catch up when it needs to. That is actually what I wanted. There we go. We have loaded 735 resources. Alright. So I know something about synchronization. That's nice. At least in the more basic sense. The question is how does it work in more complicated situations? Which would cause... Actually, I do want to test now that I have that's all debug. Let me remove all debug now. That's not really seems to be working fine. It's just kind of interesting how Minecraft was managing to work despite having thread unsafe measures, and also in those thread unsafe measures, Minecraft was forcibly lagging the game. Interesting. That's just, I don't know. It's just interesting. I don't think it will lag anymore. I actually want to test it. Like, it shouldn't freeze now whenever it's loading in here. I'm just gonna spin in a circle and see if it freezes. Nope. No more freezing. Nice. Only the game freezing up because of my own doing. I'm gonna forcibly close the game. 1 second. Oh no. Not showing up in here, which really scares me. What is a plus though is it appears the CPU usage is not being maxed, which is a plus. Can I close Java, please? Memory connection overburdened. Eh, actually it's not. It's not showing up here, which is annoying, but... The game quit? Is it quitting? Why is everything frozen is my question. The threads should terminate. There we go. Finally terminated. Takes a little bit for some reason. So the I really hate working in theory or in hypothesis. Well, okay, is a pet peeve of mine. So hypothesis refers to a conjecture or something that you think may happen. What I mean by theory, however, is a logic structure that has been created on the basis of some initial fact, but not necessarily one that's proven. I don't actually know if theorem refers to something that has been proven, but I've only heard it in that context, so I don't know. Let me actually look that up. Yeah. I think I got that right. Okay. Theory refers to something that a logic structure that has been unproven, and theorem refers to one that has been proven. Got it. 3 viewers. Well, isn't it nice to see you guys? I don't know what you expected to see. I said I'm programming. If you guys have been around and are interested in the Minecraft for New project, there is a community guilded server that I've set up. It's pinned at the top. And I'll be using it whenever I have some things to post there relating to the project. Until, of course, they get released and all that, and then it'll be more publicized and all that. But for right now, it's just a pet project, I guess. Where are we at? So, the next thing I want to figure out is... I would prefer to get it performant before I get it working, which is honestly not what you're supposed to do. However, I want to get it to a state where, assuming I don't find it first, where the game runs fine, just you can't see anything before we fix the rendering issue, because I know that's going to be much harder, assuming everything's going to be working as is. So, how do we do that exactly? That's the question. We look into the rendering code on the main thread, because that's what matters. And we... Where would it be? What is the easiest way that I can do this without too much synchronization? I guess also this. Just a gigantic array of garbage. The way that I have it right now is the array is static, kept static, and just kept there until it's just like a sorry. The array is I said that completely wrong. I'm thinking in my head as opposed to properly. The way that it works right now is that there is an array that is set of size, and then since we know what the indexes are, it's the same length as this, it will generate, if it needs to, then we'll set accordingly, and it will leave it alone if it does not need to be changed, which is how it's supposed to be. That's the most optimized way for the other threads to be handling things. Now, how does that relate to the main thread is the question. Well, this is also designed to have a structure where if So there we go. Now, how can I restructure this to... That could be the problem, actually. This is a copy. This is not the original. Okay. Because we can easily fix that by going in here. Really, what's funny is you don't actually need your for loops to be in brackets. Pretty weird, but, you know. Do it like that. Annoy everyone. It's just a little more compact for, like, a single small thing. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go into here. So that should save some performance here. Alright, so all that should work now, and realistically what I should be doing, rather than this weird is empty thing, is this right here, and remove is empty. What I should rather be doing is just setting them to null, because I don't know why they would need to be. Because then that check is simplified in here. There we go. Yep. And all these arrays and all that. Alright, cool. Now, I believe that would be it. Make sure nothing else here. Now that there is a Ooh! Hold on. We got a little bit more FPS. This is exciting. The game's still crashing, of course. But, you know. I see this is an absolute win. I'm gonna take this as the whole. I want to create a class to help me with this, because I've done this sometimes. Okay. Oh. Sure that would. So now that I've created this really nice debug class, usually take that long, looks like it's good. Excuse me. What? Right. Man. Closing again. No, permanent. Okay, so it's mostly opaque. You know what I haven't tried yet, of which I probably should try? I haven't tried, restart. I want to see what happens if I open the game and then close the game. Or, sorry, open the save and then close the save after like a few seconds. Okay, it works. Nice. Okay, generally speaking, it doesn't take that long to trial pick the drawing, which is nice. In fact, a lot of it is the array copy. It's hilarious. But I think it's necessary. Is it necessary? You know what I'll do? Is I'll try the performance change if oh yeah, it's also a mistake I also made. Hold on. I'm going to have to remake these buildings. However, the main meat of it will be the same, but... I'm going to put all this in here. Oh, if 0 ain't used, then I guess we'll just remove it. But, yep. Terminate. Alright, reload. If this significantly reduces the rendering time... Oh yeah, it did. It really did. That's good. Still, of course, it crashes because, you know, it's out of sync, but... Actually, I'm really interested in what this is. OS thread... Alright, well, that definitely helps a lot. That's good. Pretty reassuring, though, that it's relatively optimized in that sense. Going to pass in that's right. Alright. That's how that works. Alright, so... Like, yeah. So it's very long. That's 100 milliseconds, which is, and then okay, well, I'm just gonna, you know, also do a little check right here. Also, it's always loading renderers, which may actually be the cause of the slowdown. Oh, wow. Well. Hitting the escape button doesn't like to work that well, but... yeah, that severely helped. Oh, wow. Alright, good to know. Also, rendering does not take that long, so that's good. What is the no pointer exception referring to? Yeah, I forgot about this freaking try-catch statement. This is not necessary to really do anything with that no pointer exception, so that's good. Because the reason why I was doing that, I believe it was catching, is because on load renderers, it was trying to mark dirty while, like, basically, in the meantime, which is not a good thing to do, fortunately. Well, if that causes issues later with, like, being able to see stuff, then, you know, so be it, but... I want to see what my performance looks like. Everything seems to have stalled for one reason or another. So I will forcibly restart. Seems like it's doing its job. Finally. Okay. Now. So alright, just family functions to help me debug things better. Of course. Setting up the debug here. So now I go back in here. Hey, what am I doing? What else would it be? There we go, much better. First of all, zero incremented. Make sure. Yeah, that should be fine. That'd be the case, but yeah. None were actually tried to. None of them tried to draw. Huh. Debugging in here sometimes. Only got the because all of them are empty, it only was doing opaque. It's interesting. Which is it was just skipping through them. Well, it would be determined by the shell itself. Very end, yeah. I doubt all of them are not there. Just like all false. It's all not there. It's not even going into the loop. 16 through 84. Right. They all equaling null? Stop. Doesn't matter that much. I'd like to disable that. Chance. They're all empty? Wait, what? Huh. Why would that be exactly? Let's change the world of the client. I mean, personally, I don't really plan on putting each mention to the world client inside of a... Yeah, okay. This might screw stuff up, however, I mean, that's kind of the point, so let's figure this out. Where's the world? There we go. Problem is why we can't do that anymore is because of all of this. We can't have a reference copy because that doesn't work with whenever it's multi-threaded. So Gold. Alrighty then. Alright. All of them were passed. Big yikes. Alright. All still opaque? Eh? So they're all still they're all still nothing. Okay. me go ahead and remove all these debug statements over here. We can focus on this, alright? Alright. Well, that makes my job a little bit easier. There was, in fact, none. This was not even called. Which means... I'm going to, for now, for the sake of debugging, remove this check, because this will actually help me out. Oh, is that's gilded, isn't it? Forgot about the debug, not the debug, the gilded thing. So... I'm going to, by default, whenever these are created, okay, this should be marked dirty. Is it? I'm going to just for testing purposes, of course, not going to keep this permanent, otherwise that would be a huge mistake. I want it to... Wait. Negative erase? What does this even mean? Alrighty then. Guess we'll just try it like this. I'm trying to like brute force this whole thing, just see if I can get any result. I don't see world yet. Game, how dare you not render? No. But let's see what it is. Alright, so I think that's probably gonna be it. I'll turn off debug for now. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. This live stream, I think we actually did a lot, so I'm happy about that. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to figure out what's wrong here. But we managed to get the game to, well, getting to open in the first place is a pretty big goal, but that's from before. Today we managed to fix bug relating to sound, multi-threading, sound multi-threading, and then issues relating to the rendering itself. The point where it actually opens the game, doesn't crash immediately, which is definitely a big plus. So. There we go. And that's very much better for these exceptions. You don't want it to be that unsafe, because I'd rather it crash and tell me rather than just catch it, you know. All right. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.